So Coops and I are out here in Wharton again, just beating on our cars. Got Pine Nut out here, got Bash Bug out here, and just getting some footage. We figured we're gonna go take the next trail, but up ahead there's a road that veers to the left, and it's got a series of puddles at the end of it. It's probably got 4 or 5 puddles that are pretty big. The Jeep guys like to bog them out a little bit, so we're gonna try that trail without doing the go-arounds. And we're gonna try to maneuver these puddles. Instead of going slow with 4-wheel low like those guys had, we're just gonna hit this shit at like 35, 45 miles an hour. We're gonna just try to skim these fuckers right over top, so stay tuned.
Yeah, me too.
I want some goddamn fucking chicken wings.
We end the day at a place called Sweetwater. Kind of cool. It's like a marina. Here we are. We finished a nice little run through Wharton today. Caught a little sunset views at Sweetwaters. Cars were scooting. They were skiing actually.